Hi there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can customize your email signature in Zoho Mail. So before starting, make sure that you have already created a basic signature, and this will help you add branding or personal touch to every email that you send. So first, what you will have to do is go to your settings and then go ahead and scroll a little and then you will see signature. So go ahead and click that and just wait for it to load. And once you're here, what you will have to do is basically just click add new signature if you don't have one yet. And then what you will have to do is you will use the editor so that you will be able to change the fonts, the colors, and then you can also add images if it is available for you. And so basically here you can just insert your image, and then after that and then you can also, by the way, set put hyperlinks here, and then you will choose if it should appear automatically for new emails or replies or forwards. And you can also place it either below the quoted content or above the quoted content, and make sure that you have your signature name before proceeding. And that's basically just it. And once you're satisfied with your signature, what you will have to do is click save, which is right here, and then compose a test email to see your customized signature in action. And that's basically just it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day. So there's your signature.